welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having an absolutely fantastic day, and I am so excited to unbox, unbag. We have our Lip Monthly for September 2018, so I'm definitely excited to get in here and give this a try. This is the first time I'm getting it, so it is a new subscription, so I'm excited to share. You do get 3 or 4 lip products with Lip Monthly. Forgive me, I'm a little out of my element today. I will make sure to link their website down below, as well as the cost of this. I know I did like the 3-month subscription, and there was a code, and I want to say it was like $25 or something for 3 months, so it's not a very expensive subscription. So let's take a look here. Oh, you guys, this bag is so cute. It is a fall bag. Yay! Love little bags. And obviously the lip products are in here. So let's dive in. Alright, first thing I am seeing is it says Portland Bee Balm, supporting urban bees and their keepers. Oregon Mint, and it has Pacific Northwest beeswax, organic cold pressed extra virgin coconut oil, organic California extra virgin olive oil, and Oregon peppermint essential oil. I just cannot talk today. So this is a lip balm. So that's always great to have, and I love that it's mint. I love mint when it comes to just a regular lip balm or chapstick type product. And we have here by Starlooks, this says Rosette Ultra Luxe Longwear Lip Pencil. I'm guessing Rosette is the color. I'll hold off on this. I don't really use lip pencils that much. I typically just go with my gloss or a lipstick. I really don't define my lips, I guess maybe the way I should, with a lip pencil, so I may put this in the giveaway. And I know Starlooks is a really good brand, so this is going in the giveaway. Okay, yay. All right, next we have from Steve Laurent. It's a lip gloss, and in the shade Ballerina. Steve Laurent. Packaging is very pretty. But it doesn't want to come out. Like, it really doesn't want to come out, you guys. It's like in there. Let's try opening it right from the other end and maybe pushing. I don't want to tear the box to pieces. There we go. Oh, see, that worked. Oh, it's a pretty shade. It's a light shade. But it is very pretty. See there? So a pretty nude. It's always great to have. So I'm excited for that one. And you guys, I'm telling you, my mind with these, with this hurricane, my mind is just not working, and this is the second unboxing that I have done where I just completely forget to look at the card. So let's hop back, and you know what, no, we'll just go ahead and do this last product, and then we will review with the card. This is by Hikari. It is a lip crayon in Fireside. So let's take a look at this. Oh, and this is gorgeous. Can you guys see? It's a beautiful, beautiful red. And oh my goodness. That is so pretty. I like that a lot. I like that a lot. That is a gorgeous fall, Christmas. I love doing red lips at Christmas time. So yes, 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 yes. So now let's review with our little card. The lip balm, the Portland Bee Balm Oregon Mint is $2.99. The Starlooks lip pencil is $19. And like I said, this is going to go into the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. The Hikari lip crayon is $13. And the Steve Laurent lip gloss is $22. So like I said, I paid $25 roundabout for like a 3-month subscription for Lip Monthly, and this one product almost paid for 3 months. So definitely worth it. Let's see. I'm just going to read what it says here on the card. It says the September 2018 bag is here. This month we have a curated bag that will help you flawlessly transition into the fall season, which is my favorite. Show us your bag for a chance to be featured on our Instagram at Lip Monthly. Enjoy your goodies. So I am very, very happy for my first bag. I am super excited. I definitely think that it is a great bag. I like that there is a balm, just a regular, you know, if you're having a stay in your PJs, Netflix and chill day, you know, and you just need something on your lips to keep them moisturized and just, you know, you got the lip balm, but then there's 2 totally different shades here for lip color, which is great. I love that the shades are not similar at all. And then, you know, the lip pencil, which is great. So you have a variety of lip products. So I think this is fabulous. I am super excited, and I am definitely looking forward to what October has, and then November, and then I'll see from there if I want to, you know, continue and do another 3 months or something. I like to give subscriptions, usually 3 months, to see if, you know, they're worth it to me. And this one I, for the first month, can highly, highly recommend. So if you have not already, I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up for Lip Monthly. And if there's a coupon floating around, I'll try and find one, put it down there as well. Otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you again so much for being a part of our YouTube family here. If you have not already subscribed, please do so. And again, don't forget, we have the 1,000 subscriber giveaway going on. It ends on the 30th, so we've only got like 9 days left. And here's another product going into the giveaway. So you definitely want to enter. All you have to do is be subscribed. We would love to have you and expand our little family here. So again, thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, I will talk with you guys soon.